In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell on Trade Republic. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and go to the Wealth tab top left, and in here you want to select the asset you want to sell. So for example, let's say I want to sell this Bitcoin I have in my crypto wallet. I'm going to tap on my crypto wallet, and then over here, if I scroll down, it's going to say investments, and I do have roughly €2 worth of Bitcoin. I can just tap on that, and then over here, as you can see, if I tap on trade at the bottom right, it's going to say sell. So if I tap on the sell button here, I'll be able to select how much I want to sell, either in percentages, or I could go ahead and tap on those three dots. And then from here, I can basically type in my own amount. So we can type in whatever you want here. I'm just going to go ahead and type in, for example, 0.00002. And then there we go. If I want to go to the next tab, here I'll be able to see the confirmation, and if everything looks good, I can just type or tap on sell at the bottom right, and that's how you sell. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.